Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jonathan Kohanoff. Welcome to our latest vlog. We're going to continue on the theme of the team. Today we're going to talk about the team, and there's two huge questions that come up. Question number one I hear from employers is they don't know what their employees are doing. This is unbelievable to me. And the question I get from the other side when I'm talking to employees or team members that work for an organization, they say they don't know what their boss wants from them or how to do it. As unbelievable as it sounds, it's a very common occurrence. Here are 3 easy ways to go ahead and make sure you don't have these issues. Number 1, what are the tools you are using to help manage your employees and manage yourself? Are you using a CRM, a customer relationship management software? Are you using Excel? Are you using a notebook? Are you not using anything at all? Some recording is better than no recording, but at the same time, having the right tools to better understand what you're doing and what your team members are doing is huge. Number 2, how often do you check in with your team? Do you ask them what they're doing, how they're doing it? What do they need help with? Many people fail to ask this to their team members, and this is detrimental. Check-in could be as easy as once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. You know your team best, but if you don't ask what they're doing, how they're doing it, and what they need help with, you're going to have problems. And third, regroup and reanalyze. Get their feedback on what should be different. And you know what? I know it's hard. Everybody thinks they're the boss and they have the best information. But you know what? Why don't you just analyze it and give it a shot? This way, you and your team member can discuss whether or not this is the right thing to do. Thank you so much. If you like this video, feel free to share it, drop a comment and a like, and go ahead and let us know what else you'd like us to talk about. Bye-bye.